Hi dreamers, welcome to today's STEAMwork. Swirl it around. Wow, what do you notice? I'm Domonique from National Children's Museum. Today, we will be making a tornado in a jar. While this is a fun science experiment, tornadoes in reality are anything but. Tornadoes are considered to be a form of hazardous or dangerous weather. Tornadoes are violent and powerful, with a fast rotating vortex of air that is in contact with the Earth's surface and cumulonimbus clouds in the sky. Their high-speed winds can break apart buildings, knock down trees, and even toss cars into the air. Scary. Tornadoes are usually born from thunderstorms, when warm air rises and collides with cold air in the atmosphere. There is only about a 30% chance of storms producing tornadoes under these conditions. Scientists still aren't completely sure why only some storms birth tornadoes, and they are still unsure on specific details about how they die or stop. Tornadoes can form most anywhere, but most of the tornadoes in the United States occur in an area called Tornado Alley. More than 500 tornadoes typically occur in this area every year. Texas, Oklahoma, Kansas, Nebraska, South Dakota, North Dakota, Iowa, Missouri, Arkansas, and Louisiana all make up Tornado Alley. Now it's time to create our own tornado. For this activity, you will need the following materials: a clear jar with a lid. You can use an old spaghetti or pickle jar, or an empty water bottle. The important thing is the container is round and has a lid. You will need cold water, vinegar, dish soap, and measuring spoons. You can also choose to add food coloring and glitter to the jar if you have it on hand. The first step is to fill your jar with cold water, stopping just before you get to the top. Next, you will add 1 tablespoon of dish soap. Bubbles. Get it all in there. And then you will add 1 teaspoon of vinegar. All right, simple as that. Then we put the top back on the jar. Make sure you have it on kind of tight. You grip the jar and you start spinning it. Swirl it around and around and around, and then stop. Wow, what do you notice? What is happening? So we are no longer moving our jar, but the liquid inside is still moving. Did you notice that kind of column-looking, vortex-looking thing? That was a tornado. So cool, let's see it again. Wow, we created a vortex or a tornado in a jar. That was a really fun experiment. I hope you enjoyed it too. Thank you again for making with me, and we will see you again real soon for our next STEAMwork. Thanks. Bye.